I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Snapchat is updated because sticker options change with versions. Once done, sign in and open the camera screen. This is where stickers live. Tap your Bitmoji avatar or profile icon at the top left to access your profile and Bitmoji settings. You're doing this now to reach the place where you can edit and swap sticker packs. Make sure your Bitmoji is linked. Otherwise, you'll only see default emojis instead of customizable Bitmoji sticker options. Now you'll edit and customize. Tap Bitmoji, then edit Bitmoji to change poses or outfits because stickers derive from your avatar. Once edited, go back and open the sticker picker in Chat or Camera. Locate the Bitmoji tab. You can enable or disable sticker packs, choose pre-made poses, or create custom stickers from recent snaps. This matters because the pose and outfit determine sticker variety. If you want context-specific stickers, snap a photo and convert it to a sticker for reuse. Finish by applying and saving. Drag a sticker onto your snap or tap it to insert into Chat. This sends and stores usage history. You can save new custom stickers to recents so future access is immediate. If stickers don't update, make sure you relink Bitmoji in Settings Bitmoji and clear Snapchat cache. This forces a refresh. If problems persist, restart the app and check for app updates. Following these final steps ensures your chosen Bitmoji stickers appear consistently across chats and snaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.